Hello children, now we shall be continuing with the next session. Okay, our exercise 2.2 question number 6, which is multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction means what? जो integer में होता है, basically it is converted from the improper fraction. 3 multiplied by 5, integer 1 upon 5. First of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert that? 5 ones are 5, multiply करो, 5 ones are 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26 upon 5. What is 26 threes are? What is 26 threes are children? Multiply करो, 6 threes are is 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, okay, which is 78 upon 5. Get children? Now divide 78. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 8. 5 5 is 25. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. So 15 integer. Cycle chalao. 15 integer 3 upon 5. 15 integer 3 upon 5. This is our answer. Same way for 5 multiplied by 6, integer 3 upon 4, 4 6 are 24 plus 3 is 74 upon 27. 4 3 are 6 4 is 24, 6 4 is 24 plus 3 27 upon 4, 27 5 are 5 7 is 35, 5 to the 10 plus 3 is 30. So 135 upon 4 children. Divide करो 135 को 4 से, 4 3s are 12, 3 minus 2 is 1. Again 15 है, 15, okay, 4 4 is 16 हो जाता है, तो 4 is not possible, 4 3s is again 12, 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 33 integer 3 ऊपर 3 upon 4, 33 integer 3 upon 4. Okay, I've added again 33 integer 3 upon 4. Next one, 7 multiplied by 2 integer 1 upon 4 children. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 upon 4. So no cancellation as such, so 7 9 is 63 upon 4. चलो 4 to 60 से डिवाइड करो, 4 1s are 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, 4 5s is 20, 3 minus 0 is 3. Okay, तो 15 integer 3 ऊपर जाएगा 4 नीचे 3 upon 4. Okay, the same way next 4 multiplied by 6 is 18 plus 1 is 19 upon 3. Okay, यहाँ पे दो कैंसिलेशन है सर, ऊपर नीचे कोई कैंसिलेशन होता है? Not possible. What is 19 fours are? 19 fours are, what is 19 fours are children? 4 9s are 36. 7 4 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7, 76. Okay, you should be knowing the table basically. 76 upon 3. चलो divide करो 7 से 76 से 2 3 2s are 6. 3 5 is 15. 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer is 25 integer 1 upon 1 upon 3. 25 integer 1 upon 3. Okay children? In the same way this one, 3 integer 1 upon 4 multiplied by 6. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 4 multiplied by 6. Cancellation possible as well. 2 2s are 2, 3s are. Okay, 13 3s is 39 upon 2. Divide करो. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Take down 9. 2 8 9s is 18. 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer is 19 integer. 19 बीच में आएगा 1 upon. Okay children. Last one, 5 6 is 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 upon 5 multiply. What is 17 is 17. 7 is 56. 8 was 8 plus 5 is 13. 136. Okay. 136 upon 5. Divide करो 136 को. 5 2s are 10. 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 7 is 35. 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer will be 27. The quotient part will come in the integer part 1 upon 5. Okay, children, this is how we do this. Okay, hope it is clear with you all. Mixed fraction को convert करना पहले improper में multiply करना है, then whatever the answer comes improper fraction में again convert into mixed fraction. Okay, children. Now next question, children. Question number 7. Find half of 2 into 3 upon 4. दो question एक के अंदर and half of 4 into 2 upon 9. I'll solve the first. Okay. 1 upon 2 of half means what? Array. Of means what? Multiply. Of means what? Multiply. 2 into 3 upon 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 3. What is 8 plus 3, children? 11 upon 4. चलो 11 is 11 upon 4 2 is 8. Divide करो. 8 1 is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay. So the answer is 1 integer. 1 बीच में आएगा 3. ऊपर जाएगा 3 upon. Okay. Same way. Half of 4 integer 2 upon 9. 4 9 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38 upon 9. Now here also cancellation would be there, children. What cancellation? 2 के टेबल में 38 आता है. कब आता है? 2 1s are 2 19s are. 2 1s are and 2 19s are. So 19 upon 9 divided 9 2s is 18. And minus 8 is 1. So answer is 2. बीच में 1 ऊपर. 2 integer 1 upon 9. 2 integer 1 upon 9. Okay. Same way B1, which is 5 upon 8 of 3 integer 5 upon 6 and 9 integer 2 upon 5 upon 8 multiplied by 3 6 are 18. 3 6 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 upon 6, children. No cancellation as such. What is 23 5s are? 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. Okay? 115 upon 6 is 48. 6 is 48. Divide करो 115 को 115 divided 48. 48 1s are 48, 48 2s are 8 to the 16, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9, 96. So 96 is nearby 115. I love this answer. Okay. 5 minus 6 possible है नहीं है borrow. Okay. 50 minus 6 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay. So the answer would be 2 integer 19 over 19 upon 48. Okay. And the last one, 5 upon 8 multiplied by 9 to the 27 plus 2 is 29 upon 3. 9 to the 27 20 plus 2 is 29 upon 3. 29 5 is multiplied by 5 9 to the 45. 5 to the 10 plus 4 145 upon 3 is the 24. Okay. 24 को डिवाइड करो 145 के साथ. Okay. Divide 24 by 145. चलो 24 6 6 4 24 6 2 12 plus 2 14. So 24 sixes is children 140. 24 sixes is 140. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer would be 6 integer 1 upon 24. Okay children. Okay, multiply करना है, divide करना है basically. Okay, so 24 sixes are 144. Okay. Now last question children. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Picnic पे जा रहे थे. Their mother gave them water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. So 5 liters of water है. Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water. 2/5 water Vidya ने पी लिया. Pratap consumed the remaining water. आधा जो बाकी का बचा था, that was done by Pratap. How much water? Two questions आते हैं. How much water did Vidya drink? Vidya ने कितना पानी पिया? And what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Okay, कितना विद्या ने पानी पिया? That we find. तो water consumed by Vidya, okay, which is 2/5 of 5 liters. 2/5 of 5 liters. 5 cut. Okay, 2 liters of water consumed by Vidya. Okay, this is the first answer. Next question is asked, children. Okay, what fraction of it was done by Pratap? Okay, so total fraction में ले लेता हूँ 1 of the whole of the 2/5. The 2/5 was drank by Vidya. 2/5 was drank by Vidya. बाकी जो बचा वो was drank by Pratap. So I have to find how much fraction was drank by Pratap. Okay, तो पूरे fraction 1 में से पूरा 2 फाइंड निकालो. So get the remaining one. Okay, LCM 1 5s are 5 1s are. Okay, the LCM would be 5 right here. 5 1s are 5 minus 1 2s are 2 upon 5. 5 minus 2 is 3 upon 5. So 3/5 of the fraction. Okay. So 3/5 water was drank by Okay children, is it clear? Thank you.